Hey Cooks, we're back with a tip and trick for you. Stay tuned for more Hey Cooks. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a chopstick or a wooden dowel, some rubber bands, a piece of construction paper or cardboard. The first thing you gotta do is take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Make sure it's stiff. Then, take your boiled egg, deshelled of course, place it in the fold, point down. Then lie your dowel across the egg. Press it in softly. Then secure the ends with a rubber band. Make sure that you let it sit for at least 30 seconds after that's done. Then voila, there you go. All you have to do is cut it in half and you have a nice looking heart-shaped eggs. Well, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!